Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first connect the USB mouse if possible. So you can connect the USB mouse so you can navigations windows will troubleshoot easily. Then second, enable touchpad from the windows. So click to start, type, click to setting, click to start and setting, and then click to Bluetooth and scroll down, and then you can see touchpad. So if it is off, so click to on and set the middle. Okay, 10 means 6. Okay, and then close it and check the device manager. Click to start and type device manager, open it, then extract human interface devices, and you can see point device also some systems. Okay, and then select touchpad, right click to uninstall, and then click to uninstall it. Okay, and then close it, then again click to start, then type device manager, open again, and then click to action. Okay, view, click this icon, scan hardware changes, fine. Once again click on this icon, otherwise you can click to actions and then click to scan for hardware changes, then it will come again. Okay, yeah, and then close it. Then next, then install driver, click to start, type, open Microsoft Edge. So you can type manually Microsoft Edge, and then type HP laptop driver download. Then first link, which is official support.hp.com, click on it. Then click on a laptop, then scroll down. If you don't know the serial name and your model number and serial number, so you can click get detect your product, so after that it will detect easily. Otherwise, type HP Elite book, okay, 840, which is are using Gen 7 G8 4 Gen. Okay, select which is using, then slow down, select the operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, and then click to submit, scroll down, then scroll down, network, drive network, and drive keyboard mouse, scroll down, this is touchpad driver. Okay, click to download, after that it will start and just complete it, then open it, then next, I accept, next, and finish, it is installed. Okay, so it will run in background, then minimize, then click to start, type cmd next method, right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc space less scan now, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage, it will take some time and it will complete, then restart your system and then please check. And very important guys, if you are confused about your model name and you are install the driver, so please check out the link in description, so fill out this Google form and my team will assist you. Okay, thank you.